Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Chow with Lau. And today I'm going to show you how to make sweet and sour sauce. So for this recipe we're going to need some chunks of pineapple in juice, 2 tomatoes, half an onion, a lemon, a tablespoon of corn flour in water to make up a slurry, half a pepper, a small chunk of ginger, 200 milliliters of plain water, 8 tablespoons of malt vinegar, 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar. We'll also need 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. So the first job is to roughly chop all the vegetables and fruit. It doesn't have to be pretty because all of it will get scooped out anyway. We don't want any bits in the sauce. The only thing that's going to stay in the sauce when we eat it is the pineapple chunks. All we're doing is creating a base of flavour to make sweet and sour sauce be more than just literally sweet and sour. The beauty of this is you don't have to have the most pristine fruit and vegetables to go in. So the next thing to do now is to fry off our vegetables and fruit and the ginger. And then we can start to fry off all of that. The only thing that's not going in fruit wise is the pineapple because we add that at the end. Okay. I bet you've never fried a lemon before. And if you're worried about all this going into your sweet and sour sauce and turning it into some sort of weird sweet and sour stew, don't worry because we're going to strain this all off before we serve it. So when all the ingredients are now nice and soft and the flavours are flowing out of it, that's when we add our water straight into it like so. We've simmered that away for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add our sugar, our vinegar, and our ketchup. I'm also going to put a little pinch of salt in to just balance everything out. And with that, we are going to give it a good stir. Bring it up to temperature again. So now, we're going to strain out all our flavour ingredients, and that'll leave us with our sauce. All the ginger, all the lemon, all the peppers, all the onion will have imbued into our nearly finished sauce. So in this little saucepan we're going to bring it up to temperature again, and whilst we're doing that we're going to add our pineapple in its juice, and that'll add a little bit more liquid to our sauce and also give it that subtle pineapple flavour. And the last step is to add our corn flour slurry. Some people put it right into the mix beforehand, but I like to do it this way because then we can control exactly how thick our sauce is going to be. We use corn flour because it gives us a nice glossy, silky texture. You don't want to be reusing plain flour because that'll give you a kind of literally a floury texture, which isn't that pleasant. There you go, guys. I think we're done. There you have it, guys. Sweet and sour sauce. I'm going to have it with some breaded crab claws, but you can have it with your sweet and sour chicken balls, sweet and sour pork balls, sweet and sour ribs. I've got all these recipes. You can use it as a dipping sauce or a pouring sauce. The world is your oyster. So if you like this video and you want to see more like it, then hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Leave a like, a comment, and share this video to all your friends. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.